Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to download Vimeo and sign up on it. For that, first of all, open up your app store. After you open up your app store, on bottom right you'll see a search option. Tap on it. Enter Vimeo on the search bar, and when you're done, tap on search, which is on bottom right. There on top you'll see the app. Tap on it and tap on get to download the app. This way you can easily download Vimeo on your phone. Now to sign up, tap on open. There you'll see the option of join. Tap on it. You can join Vimeo with your Facebook, Google or Apple, or you can simply enter your name, email address and your password and then tap on join. For now, I'm going to log in with my Google account. A pop-up message will appear on your screen asking if you want Vimeo to use google.com to sign in. Tap on continue. Now you'll have to log into your Google account, enter your email or your phone number. When you're done, tap on next, enter your password and then tap on next. A pop-up message will appear on your screen. If you want Vimeo to send you notification, tap on allow. If not, tap on don't allow. This way you can easily sign up on Vimeo.